16 children died because of consuming this cough syrup, Coldrif. Government of India, the Health Ministry has issued an advisory on the consumption of this cough syrup. Kerala, our drugs controller department, the drugs controller, has issued a notification banning the sale of this drug across the state. We don't have this drug in our essential drug supply list. This is not being supplied by KMCL, which is our corporation, the government corporation, which is supplying medicines to the government hospitals and government medical colleges. But we are ensuring that this is not the sale of this is not happening in other private hospitals and also in private pharmacies. 16 children died because of consuming this cough syrup, Coldrif. Government of India, the Health Ministry has issued